Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, let's dive into something that promises to revive and restore your hair, especially if it's seen better days. We all know how hair can get stressed and damaged from heat styling, color treatments, or even environmental factors. Redken's Bonding Conditioner for damaged hair repair claims to repair those weak bonds and restore hair to its healthier, stronger state. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out together. Redken's Bonding Conditioner comes in a creamy form and is sulfate-free, making it a great choice for those who want to preserve their hair's natural oils while still addressing damage. This product is specifically designed to target dry, damaged hair, helping to reinforce weakened bonds and offering visibly stronger, healthier hair after just a few uses. If you've been struggling with breakage or limp, lifeless strands, this conditioner claims to give your hair that much-needed boost. The first thing I noticed when using this conditioner is its smooth, luxurious texture. It glides effortlessly through the hair, offering a bit of slip that makes detangling easier, even for those with fine or thicker hair types. I've used it both in the morning and at night as part of my regular routine, and it was consistently easy to apply and rinse out. The formula does have a gentle fragrance, but it's not overwhelming, which I appreciated. As for the performance, I started noticing a difference after a couple of washes. My hair felt softer, with less breakage during combing, and I could see more shine. The conditioner definitely helps to hydrate the hair, making it feel nourished and more resilient. After about a week, my hair seemed to have a healthier bounce and a smoother texture, which is a nice bonus. I was also impressed with how it didn't weigh my hair down, something I often experience with other repairing conditioners. But of course, no product is perfect. While the conditioner did an excellent job of moisturizing and strengthening, I did notice that it didn't offer as much volume as I might have hoped. If you're someone who's looking for both hydration and volume, this product might not give you that extra lift you're looking for. Also, if you have severely damaged hair, you might find that it needs a more intense treatment to really see dramatic results. Pros? It's sulfate-free, which is always a plus for maintaining hair health in the long term. It's also gentle enough to use regularly without stripping the hair. And of course, it delivers on its promise to visibly repair and strengthen hair with regular use. On the flip side, if you're looking for a product that not only repairs, but also volumizes, this may not be the best match for you. Also, for those with very damaged hair, this might not be quite as potent as some other treatments out there. Now, when it comes to value for money, Redken's Bonding Conditioner falls into the higher price range. But considering the high-quality ingredients and the fact that it visibly improves hair health, I'd say it's worth the investment for those who are committed to hair repair and long-term results. When compared to other products in the market, there are certainly cheaper alternatives out there. However, many of those may not offer the same level of performance in terms of bond reinforcement and gentle care. Redken's formula is built with high-performance ingredients that justify the price tag if you are looking for something that's both effective and safe for regular use. As for the packaging, it's sturdy and functional. The product comes in a sleek tube, which makes for easy application without wasting any product. The conditioner's consistency is thick enough that you don't need much, which is always a plus when it comes to getting your money's worth. In terms of longevity, this conditioner doesn't promise instant miracles, but after a few weeks of use, I'd say it does its job in a noticeable way. If you're looking for long-term repair, this will definitely be an investment in your hair's health. Is the customer service experience anything special? In my case, I didn't have to interact with Redken's customer support. But given the brand's reputation for excellent service and reliable results, I would imagine they're always ready to address any concerns promptly. Now, if this product doesn't quite fit your needs or budget, there are other bond repairing conditioners out there that might suit you. For example, alternatives like Olaplex No 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner provide a similar bond strengthening formula, but might be priced more affordably depending on where you shop. If you're looking for more volume, a product like Pureology's Hydrate Sheer Conditioner might provide a better balance of hydration and volume, though without the intense bond repair. So, would I recommend Redken's Bonding Conditioner for damaged hair repair? If you're dealing with hair that's prone to breakage or damage from chemical treatments, this conditioner will likely make a noticeable improvement in the health and feel of your hair. It may not give you the volume or the instant fix for severely damaged hair, but it's a solid product that does deliver on its promise of strengthening and repairing. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. And don't forget, if you've used this product, drop a comment below and share your thoughts with us. We'd love to hear your experience with Redken's Bonding Conditioner.